Can it zoom to the screen?
I'm coming, sir. Okay. It's not so.
On my laptop. Can it zoom? Okay, try. Tony, let me see. Yeah, so good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. So for those following us online, if you can hear me and you can see me. Okay, so it's good. But it's not very much. It's not very. I think that thing needs to be a bit more bad. Come and see what's here. Come and see what's here. Alright, so for those of you online, if you can see me and if you can hear me, please let me know so that we can get started. Can you guys see me? Can you guys hear me? If you can see me or if you can hear me, please let me know. Okay, that's here. Come and stay here. Come and stay here. So you can catch both the board and okay, I can see you guys saying you can see me and you can hear me. That's cool. So I have like 64 people joining. I don't know about Facebook, but for YouTube, I have like
70.
eh?
70.
Alright, so let's get started. Please, everybody sit down. Let's get down to the business of the day. Shall we break down my man? No country.
Apostolic innovation.
So the quality is not.
There's no, the light is low. That one is not. Yes, it's on by it's a big light. So, okay. Alright, that's good. So for those of you online, we're having some challenge. We're using backup power, so that's why the light is not very bright. In fact, at some point, you have to even turn it off. So we just have to manage this, okay? So we don't like have the lighting facilities in front, so we're using the backup. Alright? Alright, so welcome to Synthetic Masterclass. I hope you guys are excited. So for those of you here physically, as you can see, my attention is a bit divided because we have both online and physical class, unlike what we used to have for experience. So it's going to be a bit unusual, so we'll get used to it at some point. Okay, so let's start off. How many have traded synthetics before? Do you have any knowledge at all about synthetics? If you have any knowledge at all about synthetics, we would love to know. Those are like, it indicates if you've traded synthetics before, you can just type yes. Alright? If you've traded synthetics before, type yes so that we know the caliber and the quality of the people we're speaking with. If you have traded synthetics before, let us know. Somebody said my voice is not clear. Thank you. Juliet, please, keep listening. So is my voice better now? So today was FPA. Many people have lost accounts. Many people have also made money. How many traders sorry, traded the NFP today? Nobody. But the NFP. Okay, I see a lot of people saying no. Okay, so that's good. So that's very okay. So we're going to be introducing synthetic trading to you guys today. I'll just do the basic introduction of synthetic trading, and then we'll go ahead and bring up the main tutor for this particular synthetic trading, and then we'll pick up from there. Okay. So synthetic trading is. Let me first finish about NFP. So if you traded NFP, please let me know. If you traded NFP, just type NFP. If you didn't trade NFP, type I did not trade NFP. Okay? Somebody said my account went blue successfully. I thought we should have green light. Okay, I can see some people saying we trade NFP, I traded NFP, Okay, that's good, that's good. Some people blew accounts, some people made money. That's amazing. Is the voice clear now? Is it clear now? The microphone is not clear. How come it's not clear? Is that is the green light on there?
The green light is on.
Yes.
The green light.
It's on. Let me check from my own device.
From your own phone now. Like you steal from your own phone. You check the app. Okay, check. Okay, guys, we're fixing both the microphone and the sound. What's it doing inside?
It's
So whether I don't leave first. Sure. Yes, sir. I say whether I don't leave us. Is the sound okay? How come you guys are not hearing the sound? Is it? Okay, can you guys hear me? Is the sound okay? Let me see what we can do about this. Is the sound okay? Please, let me know. No, that light is reflecting. That's why I closed it. Okay, let's do this. Okay, how is the sound now, guys? Is it better? Okay, how is the sound now, guys? Is it better? Okay, I think it's cool now. So is the sound okay now? Please, you guys should give me feedback so we can get started. We're really taking a lot of time. If the sound is okay now, please give me feedback so that we can move. Okay, somebody says it's better now. Okay. All right, guys. So welcome to Masterclass. So synthetic trading is just another form of trading. There are different types of commodities and different types of market when it comes to the financial market. Now, as you guys should already know by now, the financial market is an umbrella name for different kind of markets where securities are traded. Something like Forex, which is the biggest market under the financial market. Then we also have the stock market. Then we also have the crypto market. Then we also have things like commodities. And we also have options and bonds. Then futures, yeah, you can add it to futures and swaps. Futures and swaps, those are still what's that mean? How are you doing? Long time. Good to see you. And then we have synthetics, which is more like an emerging market. Okay, so these are different markets we have available under the financial market. So synthetic trading is just another simplified, a more simple type of trading. So it's the reason it's called synthetic is when you get something that something is synthetic, what does it mean? What comes to your mind when you hear that something is synthetic? Those physical What say that? When you hear something synthetic, what comes to your mind? Huh? Those online, let me know. When you hear something synthetic, what comes to your mind? When you hear synthetic, what comes to your mind? Artificial, okay? Any other word to explain it? Human being. Okay. Okay. What else comes to your mind when you get that something is synthetic? Is it still recording? So those, okay, somebody saying not real, okay, derived, okay, special, okay, fake, good. So these are all terms that you can use to define a synthetic market. It is not real. It is human being like you and I that wake up one day and decide the movement that they want the market to go in reality. You know, a lot of people that are trading forex and maybe start trading synthetic, they find it hard to make the transition, especially in their mind, to understand that how the forex market moves and the factors that move the forex market is basically not the same factors that move the synthetic market. I just like everybody on this call now. Let me just take people randomly. I can see Ujomo, Bryce, Heaven TV. You can wake up one day and decide you want to own a synthetic market. I can wake up one day and decide to create a software that just moves up and down, and I can call it my own market. It becomes a synthetic market. So a synthetic market is a fabricated market. If you can use that English, it's more like a fabricated market. It is human beings like you and I that just created the market. You understand? So, Juliet, you can open this door, then open my window. Then you can now put on your window. All right. So that's it about the synthetic market. That's just a brief introduction about the synthetic market. So when you're trading synthetic, the factors that move synthetic market is totally different from what is moving the forex market. Now, for a market to move, just like what we're seeing now, on this particular chart, this is forex. Okay. For this market to move from here to here, there are different factors contributing, which is economic factors, sentimental factors, different kind of conditions that will make the market move. But for a synthetic market to move, most of the time, it is subject to the will of whoever is controlling the market. In this case now, the broker. You can put it maybe in the middle here, plug it here. So in this case now, any broker that owns a synthetic market, they are basically the ones in control. So when you see brokers like Dairy, Quackle come out and say, okay, we have our 100, we have volatility 500, we have jump index, jump index, bottom index, and all those indexes. Those are all their own choice of terms. Okay? The market doesn't exist anywhere. They are the ones that created it. Does it make sense? Yes. Does it make sense? Those online, please let me know whether it makes sense. Those online, please let me know whether it makes a lot of sense. People online are participating whether well. We have like 95 people currently online.
So you should come and put the lights in.
Okay, good. So it makes sense. So let's so synthetic markets, there are just a limited option of the available brokers that can trade synthetic markets. There are very, very limited options. Especially in this part of the world, especially in Africa. The most popular one is everybody knows is the leaf, right? The leaf is where a lot of people trade synthetic options. It's not changing the yes. All right, that's fine. So what we're going to be teaching today is basically give an introduction into the Deriv platform, the amount of money you can make on Deriv, and to give you just a basic overview of how you can start really using the reading. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to be doing today. Then by tomorrow, we'll be teaching you one strategy that you can use to make a lot of money and trading. Now, the advantage of trading synthetic market is the fact that most brokers offer an unleveraged account. How many of you understand what is leverage first? Okay, what is leverage? Let me just start from there. What a lot of foreign traders assume to be leverage is usually not really true. So what do you think is leverage? So for those who are like, please let me know what you think is leverage. Define leverage for me on the chart. Let's start from there. So it supports leverage is not like it supports which brokers to offer to traders. Okay, so you say that leverage is a support that brokers offer to traders. Okay, in what form? Okay, go ahead. Financial support. Okay, go ahead to boost your
leverage is support brokers offer to monitor the market.
okay, the support that brokers offer to traders to make up market demands. Okay, very fair, good answer. All right. Now, leverage is the two answers you guys gave is very correct in basic explanatory terms, but if you want to technical terms, it's a bit different. For instance, when somebody says my leverage is 1:100, okay, at a basic level, this means that if you enter for every $1 that you're bringing to the market, you are representing it to the market as $100, right? Good. Now, what that also means is that the higher the leverage you are offered, the higher the margin. When you look at a trade, when you look at your MT4, you see things like margin level, balance, equity, and all of that. Okay. Now, leverage affects where leverage plays most of the role is on the margin and the margin level. For somebody who is trading a 1:100 account, there is an amount of lot size that you cannot open. Because for every trade that you take, the broker takes part of your money as margin. Now, in the real sense of being, that's in the real world, where brokers are actually able brokers, which is not real right now because most brokers are able brokers. I'm not going to that explanation. But in the real sense of things right now, if you are offered that kind of leverage, let's say 1:100, the margin that the broker will take from your capital from a, let's say, 0.1 lot size trade will be higher than the margin it will take from me if my leverage was, let's say, 1:1000. So the advantage of synthetic trading is that most of the accounts are unleveraged or has unlimited leverage. So with a very little amount of money, you can take very large position size. Does it make sense now? So for somebody using, let's say, 1:100 leverage, and my account is $100, the maximum I might take, the lot size I might be allowed to take on that trade might be, let's say, I'm just giving you hypothesis, so I can't play this in my mind now. My mind is not calculated, right? So, but let's say the highest lot size I can take is 1.0 with a leverage of 1:100. Somebody who has a 1:unlimited or 1:2000 leverage can take, let's say, 10.0 with the same account capital with me because the leverage is unlimited. Does it make sense now? So that's the advantage of synthetic trading. Wow, we have 100 people in the house, 102. Amazing. So that's the advantage of synthetic trading over forex. So that's why I can see somebody who enter a trade with basically just $2, and the person can make $500 with just $2. Something which is almost an impossibility in forex, right? But in synthetics is very cheap possibility. Personally, I can share many from my own stories with you. Now, the reason why I don't front a lot of synthetic trading is because personally, it's just about personal branding. I trade synthetics a lot, almost on a daily basis. But you won't see me post results on synthetics or anything like that because personally I just want to brand myself as being a forex trader. Okay? But there is a lot that you can do in synthetics. A lot. I personally flipped $2 to $700 before. $2 to $700.
One true.
No, in a matter of 24 hours. From $2 it became $10, $10 to I think $45, $45, 50 to 200, 200 to 500, 500 to 700, and then the account was like 700 back to like 500, and now we do something. Yeah. Are you here for the class? Yeah. All right, welcome. So there's a lot of money that you can actually make on. There's a lot of money you can actually make on synthetics. There's a lot of money. Please, if you can't hear me very well, either you use your earpiece or I don't know what else to do about the audio. We're doing our best. This is like the best output we can have. So if my voice is not that loud, please either you use the microphone, use the earpiece or something like that. Because I don't know what else to do again for you guys, right? So please forgive the sound. Alright? So I flipped $2 to $700 before. So and I also aside that I think I've done $10 to $250. I've done $10 to $300. Many. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking about. I also know people that have $50,000 to like 15,000. You understand? I know people that have $2,000 to $40,000 in like one trade will not because there is no limit to the leverage. You understand? So that's the amazing thing about synthetics. It's a very smooth, amazing platform for you. So I'm very excited about it. So if you're excited about the opportunity, please let me know in the chat. Are you excited so that I can invite the facilitator for today to take it up from here? If you're excited, please let me know so I can invite the facilitator for today to take it up from here. Alright? Yes, I can feel you typing. I'm excited. Amazing. Okay, fantastic. All right. So in the house today we have one of the best synthetic traders I've personally met. Very amazing, very amazing trader. He has been doing this for many years, and he'll be the one taking all our synthetic classes. Now, like I said, the reason why we want to do it this way is that you will be able to attach a face to the synthetic trainings that we'll be having here. So I might be coming up maybe once in a while to take a few classes, but at least for now, Shane will be the one doing all the synthetic classes, and I will be very much available to do some form of oversight. Okay? So, with Jesus joy in our hearts. All right, so online, offline, yes. Keep the sounding and the resounding. Shane the synthetic trader, the president of synthetics.
Presido, you're welcome. Take the microphone. It's fading. Okay, thank you.
So good afternoon, everyone. Some places are familiar, some places are not. I'm happy to see everyone here. As I said, when I expect you and to all our online audience, thank you for joining us stay tuned for what we are about bringing to you all right away. So yes, it's a blessed day for us, a blessed day for yourself, a blessed day for you also. Today I'm still like this, so thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So right away, the sake of time, we go into the business of a day. All right. Please let me know if the audio is open, or I take it to let us know if the audio is okay. So yeah, welcome to Synthetic Masterclass. As my guy is talking, we are going to talk about what synthetic is all about, what's the position of synthetic. So I'm here to just elaborate on that. We will not be doing so much for today, at most 1 hour about the day, but my major objective for today is to let you all know what is done today when it comes to synthetic trading. Yeah, I'm there. Yeah. So follow me as we go bit by bit. Don't get lost anywhere. It's not something so foreign. How many of you are traders? Like you trade the currency market normally, like a trader. What's happening? What about you? You're not here at all. You just came not starting from synthetic. Please. Because of what I'm doing, okay, so we are the synthetic traders go around. I'm the synthetic president. So let's go quickly. All right. So as I said earlier, my name is Anisha. She will be synthetic president. Are we together? Yes. So whenever I see that, the animation, people are doing animation. You don't have the responsibility to come to president, but all right. The type of trading that involves creating assets or position with other assets. So, let's trading as what did I say? It's like the currency market, but has a little different attachment. So, let's allow traders to gain exposure to specific market trends, risks without actually looking to underlying assets. So, I really should then explain what is actually going to do. However, it's important to know that synthetic trading is a complex and advanced topic. As I said earlier on that, follow me as you go. As I said, it's a complex and advanced topic. And it's not suited for all traders. However, it requires a good understanding of financial markets, instruments, and risks, as well as advanced trading strategies and techniques. As I said earlier on, it's just like currency trading. That's why I asked earlier on, how many currency traders do we have here? I said as a currency trader. I did currency for 2 years and I moved to state. But for the sake of this seminar, I'm not a fast currency traders. So I will not do the advantages and disadvantages. We will not flow the way we are going. Later we'll tell the story on why I'm not going to synthetic trading. So
Sure, those online can hear you. Use that
really?
one. Yes. And then it's like somebody's phone is echoing around that place you're recording.
Is anybody online here also? Please, for those online, please let me know if you can hear me perfectly.
Please be following online, so be watching it. Carry your phone so that you're watching it too. And this camera is shaking so much. So Shem, please be conscious. We have more people online than people here. So please conscious.
105.
That's crazy.
I want to make money. And money must be there.
Yeah, please, can you hear me now? So please, you can hear me, just say I can hear you, so I can go ahead.
Don't start snapping. Snapping. Okay, it's like it's quality again.
Please, man, let me know so we can go ahead. All right, so I think it's better now we can. All right. So yeah, let's continue. Um,
It's back on. Let's the technical.
all right, so let's continue. So this is marketing is stimulate the volatility of a particular market or asset, some as fixed index. Then the composite indices, this combine the performance of multiple assets or market into a single index. Has anybody heard good baskets? Yes, on that good basket. All those baskets can be classified as synthetic trading, right? It falls under I think the hybrid index. They combine different asset classes such as stocks and currencies into a single index. I remember there was a time someone told me he was trading indices. And when I asked, he said, what was it he told me? Was it basket or something like that? Something like that. And I what? Nasdaq, S&P, all those index, yes. So, but those are next level indices. But as I said earlier, we are focusing on volatility indices for the sake of this masterclass, right? So, what I'm going to do for today is I'll talk to an extent, right? You can jot down your questions, if there's anything you want to know about techniques. Then I'll show you a proof as a technique in this one, right? So we can go for that today. Now, to the next step. When you want to go into something in life generally, let's start by that. You need to know the factors that affect that particular kind of thing. You want to go into the shipping and import and exporting. You need to know the factors that surround such kind of business. Am I right? So, if you don't know the factors that affect synthetic trading and you jump into synthetic trading, you will jump out the same way you jumped in. I came to Forex in synthetic trading. My first $100 I funded it in synthetic trading. I did $100 the evening I funded it. After that, I moved it to Consider and I traded Consider for 2 years. Then I was rescued back into synthetic trading. So, what changed was that at this point, I now knew factors that were affecting the synthetic market and I came to the better knowledge than I did the first time. Right. So, first is market sentiment. Overall attitude of investors and traders towards the market. Now, mind you, the most critical thing or the very important thing you need to know about synthetic market is that there is no news attached to it, no fundamentals. It has not to do with economic release, it has not to do with Iran fighting, US fighting UK, all those kind of stuff. Do you get? So what I usually tell people when they come to me for strategy, I tell you, First thing you need to know is master the chart. Know how to analyze the chart for what it is. I don't know if you are following. You learn how to master the chart for what it is. Now this removes the fundamental chart class. Like I'm going to the currency trader. I just want to start. Analyze the when I need to buy, why did he buy? One nonsense to just come and 2 3 hours. Is it familiar? You have analyzed your chart, finish. Technical on point, but you miss your fundamental side of it. You can be finished for that. And the market is right in terms of currency. So I felt that it was playing close to me, and I was not ready for that. Now the synthetic down will not happen because it's pure what? Pure price action, technical analysis. The next is volatility, fluctuations in asset price and market uncertainty. For this particular one on the market manipulation, it has some sort of relation. Remind you now, there's no news in this, right? But they are still market makers. In as much as there's no news, manipulation can still happen because it's controlled by people. I think we have in our last first clip. For those of you that don't know what first clip is, it's actually a weekly program we hold for traders in Abuja. We come around, we just have a group like traders to traders, heart to heart, and we speak, analyze the chart, and try to make money that aside. So in the period of I gave reasons why at times some sort of manipulation can happen in synthetic trading, but does not mean there's news events. It's just manipulation. But you need to be aware of these manipulations. Now, liquidity, availability of buyers and sellers in the market. We all know that for the market to move, two parties need to be involved: the bulls and the bears. One must win. It's a game of I want this, I don't want this. People want to buy, so people want to sell. That is what brings volatility to the market and makes the market to move. Are we together? Yeah. If there's any point to feel a better, let me know so I can come back. All right. Then market psychology. This is a very big side of trading. Whatever you are trading in life, it has statistics and it moves. Market psychology is a big stuff you need to know. Now, when I talk about market psychology, I talk about things related to fear, right? Greed, influencing trader behavior. It's part of the factors that affect synthetic trading. Alright. So technical analysis, this is the main. I look at best of but the found how to do the fundamental side of myself. Right? That's not what they're planning. So I don't think they are some trading that might not take many notice because synthetic work basically on chemicals, right? There are levels, the equity trader, there are levels you need this market wants to buy. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. There are like support and demand levels that really sure that this market will not buy or sell. Now, when it comes to market manipulation, they knew that if 50 million people are on their chart on that particular index, they knew that 50 million people or 70 million want to buy this market. How would they allow 70 million of you to just eat money? It's not possible now. So that's when you start seeing funny things like you have like I'm very into technical analysis. Let's say you have like a student that you want to buy from, right? You not start to compare. Give some sort of reaction like you want to buy, then go to enter inside. When you enter and they have seen that a large number of you are inside, they will just come to you, right? To a point that they know probably you're either scared of drawdown or your stop loss or something, but they will push some people out of it. They will not see it move. That is when it does not happen so often like it does in currencies. That's why most times when I'm on a chart and I see a level that looks so juicy, when I'm scrolling on Instagram or something, probably I did that some Monday and I'm expecting to pay out on Tuesday. And towards Monday to Tuesday, I see a lot of people saying it's 50, we're waiting for a buy. We're waiting for a buy. Ha! I'm really scared. If all of us are for this, we are all of us to be money. No, now. You understand? So I know so very soon a manipulation will happen. Now at that point, you might do this, you might cut your. Let's not wait to that. Then what happens? Buying and selling pressure in the market. Basically, bulls and bears, they have to come into play for market to move. It is the loss of the people that are trying to sell that will give you the money of you that is trying to buy. When you are happy that your trade is doing well, somebody is crying that is not going well. That is just life. And there's nothing we can do about it. When you stop loss, somebody is happy that the trade is going well. So two people have to be in the market, the buyers and the sellers for the market to move, right? Now, this is the point that I'm going to talk from my heart to use heart. Talk, get at it, right? This is for synthetic trading. These things you need to know about this market. Do not overthink synthetics. Do not, when you want to start doing the synthetic market, do not look at it as a completely new thing that, you know, when you want to start trading currency, you came into it like, you want to start one new project in your life. I said, I've been trading currency for 5 years, don't come to synthetic trading, tell me something to do. And what do you want to tell you to do? Do you think there's one special thing I'm just going to come and tell you that, do like this, then it's all rosy for you? All I say is that master your technical as a trader. Like you know, some 8 weeks back when we were having the first thing or so, I'll tell you that there are 2 things you need to know in synthetic. Before you come to synthetic market, master technical analysis. Right? Master your price action. Know your entries and exits. Then don't stress in looking for big capital. This is my own, I don't want to say it. When you come to synthetic, do not stress for big capital. As we all know, the popular thing that makes people come to synthetic is that how do you feel $2 to $50? This must be witchcraft or something. Or I remember when I was trading currency, within the week I was trading currency for 2 years. Because of the odds that happened to me when I first went my synthetic account, when I go online and say synthetic I post a fee, I'm angry. Now you know there's one thing that is common in human beings. When you don't know how to do something, you feel it's not working, or you try to criticize it. You not being able to do something does not mean to work. Because you cannot make it card does not mean people don't make cards. Right? So at that point I was like, what are they doing that I'm not doing? In the space of 2 years. I remember I saw there's this guy, not even so I knew this guy personally. He started an account with $70, he took the account to $600, yeah, about in the space of like 2 days. I don't understand. Who does that? And all this while, I was having this feeling that I want to learn it, but I don't know how to drop down from my hands and come and tell somebody, teach me this thing. It dealt with me before, but I'm ready to take. I was like, no, currency is what is for me. Now, I don't have this with currency trader. Most of the big guys out there, the big are currency traders. So it's working, right? Your popular guys are like currency traders. I think it's always the synthetic by themselves coming to like my see the power synthetic. Now, I'm just trying to say that if only I knew that. Now, let me explain. Everybody has a ability. We are all different people. So, the only is a synthetic trading and make it currency trading. Some people did not make it to currency trading and make it synthetic. First, you need to know what to work for you. Then go into it. Now, I'm advising you as a trader and go into it and face it well. Now, let me give you a brief gist, probably to motivate you. Then I'll show you a few results. Then after that, we call it a day. I will meet here tomorrow to go to the chat full time. That is what I'm having joy from. So I will see it happening real time, right? Don't please worry, I'm coming prepared. Come with my I'll come with somebody. You know when you're passing on the road and you see someone doing magic, dancing, you need fire from his magic. You can't call your friends to see magic. I do. Tomorrow, please call your friends to see magic. So yeah, back to my story. I started trading some 3-4 years ago. Um, I was in school. I was in school. And then there was this young lady I had as a classmate. Very young lady. I like that child. Very young lady. I think by then she was probably below 20 or 20 on the girls. And I just knew she always smells money. When she's in the environment that will be smelling money. My God. And I was like, I need to speak to this lady. You know, normally men, you have to speak up. After you can start asking the guys to make your money kind of thing. But then I spoke to her and I went to meet her. You know, it took a while before she was able to come out. Initially, I thought she was going to be at home. I thought she was going to be at home. I thought she was going to pick out something. Later on, she told me that she's a trader. I was like, what is trading? I've seen trading before. Like, I've passed and I saw a chart, but I never paid attention to it. I never even thought it's something I would do in my life. There was nothing, there was no appeal to all that. How do you look at green and red and make money? It can't do. It can't do. And you're making thousands like, nah, this is not possible. So when some church now told me that this is what she's making money from. And that's a real life example of somebody making money. I don't still believe at that point. So there was this day we went out and she was trying to check it here and I saw $10,000 floating profit. It was about 2021. $10,000. And like, we die here. You have to tell me what this is. Let us, what are you doing that? I don't know. So later on, we got talking, she came in to eat. I met with her, and the money that was owing at that point was money that was sent from my pocket from the school. Now, when you are going to Nigeria school in Nigeria, you know you can easily go to your friend's house if you are broke, brother to brother, man to man, Nigeria to Nigeria. When you're in a foreign land, it's not. When there's language barrier, first of all, how do you explain your own? You'll be like you deaf and dumb. So you have to be on guard when you're trying to make sure you have money. And I decided to take this with my own money. I went to meet her, like, yeah, I have $100. I said, okay, that can I have $100. I got out to my apartment that night, and she added me to her signal. Me, I just go to just drop the signal. It was not like, I think I crashed or something like that. Till now, I'm never to the class. Till now, I'm not to the class. It's yes. So I saw something like 7 like that. Now, because I felt it just me. I don't know what size it was. I don't know what magic was. I don't know what level it was. I just pressed it. Bah! Immediately I pressed it. 175 It was like magic. That magic, not the magic you will see tomorrow. This is a different magic. I was still on my bed. I had not eaten that night. I just saw rest. If you have hit margin call before, when your account cannot, you have pressured your account. I saw zero. And I want to see my money. I just went. See how I'm not just settled down and eat the money. I was sitting on my bed. I lay down straight. I slept like a dead man. Money. I know. It's funny now. You're not funny. Who do I call? I said, "You sir, the money you give me, I put it in the market. I was saving money here. How? What market are you talking about?" So at that point, I was like, I transferred out of my mind. You know, I went about doing my stuff. So at some point, I was not really in touch with that again. So what was around me at that point was currency trading, and I did currency trading. I funded my account for 2 years straight. Fund blue. Like there was never a lock. Even if I close your signal, I will still blow my account. It was like there was a call for me, like you will not accept this thing. I'm telling you my story, not everyone's story, my own story. I've run it for 2 years. When I tell you something I'm doing, you know at times you have luck. By blocking to say NFP, I make money. I never had the luck. The beginner's luck, I don't know what the beginner's luck. 2 full years. Sometime last year, September, I was done with school back in Nigeria, just at home. I was like, you know, those first loves, those perfect. Where I should not try using synthetic again. It's not that bad now. If I lost account once in synthetic and I left it, and I kept on giving currency a chance for 2 years, it cannot be biased. And I was like, okay, let me give synthetic a try again. And I funded my synthetic account. Now I put $10. September, I remember very well. September last year, I funded $10. And I did not do anything new. This is what I'm telling now. I did not do anything super. Probably I went to learn one fresh synthetic strategy that will blow my mind. What I just did was that I came into study with the idea. Now, mind you, that's what they say, success is process. All the times I was spending on currency and I was losing, it was actually building me. I was learning why not to do some things I was doing. And later I placed a trade on that $10 and then moved to 60. I was like, it's like we're going somewhere. The next day 60 to 100, I said, now we die here. No pain anywhere. I withdrew the money. Like I withdrew the money. It was so emotional. I knew what to do to press withdrawal. Wow. I was like, nothing is taking me from here. The money I lost in 2 years trading currency, I've recovered and in profit. When I need profit, I'm in profit between September to June. What I lost in 2 years. And it's not funny enough, let's say I've not been taking trades like the way I take on currency. When I put the currency account, I was treating it. If I buy, it does not buy, I will sell it. It does not sell, I will buy it. It does not buy. I was like, one this to work. Are you bringing? I'm saying this is that you don't feel like the losses you're having or the downsides you're having is only like something. Everybody goes through stuff like that. Right? And from September up until now, I can only say it's been good. Like it's been massive. You know, people say that massive. It's been massive, crazy. And guys, I'll do something like, is this really happening? Am I the one doing this kind of thing? So, what we'll do tomorrow, you know, also, I see most of us are going to your laptop. You come to your laptop, we'll go to the chat and I'll show you the possibilities on how stores like this are done. Even if it's just one strategy, just one model, I'm going to take you guys tomorrow. So, before I give, let me just give the floor for questions and answer before we go into the results. But the results is going to, most of the time when we show results, questions are very funny. The questions start here like, sir, how did you, sir? So please ask the meaningful ones now. That actually relate to pure trading because other one is something else. So I know some people need to ask. There are funny questions I've heard when it comes to exactly people that want to transit from currency to synthetic. The issue usually have plenty of questions to ask. So if you have, because when I only have type of questions, I will not say I will not have type of questions, but though it's pure chat, chat analysis. So please, if you have any question you want to ask, please ask now before we move further to some more answers. First one. Maybe I wait for one person to ask, then you ask some
Answers on the online too.
Please, why am I forgetting my online? I'm very sorry. Please, if you have any question online, please just write in the comment section and we'll get to it. Please, for the sake of time, yes. Alright. Can you give me this comment so you can hear what he's saying?
Let him just say, then you just rephrase.
Okay, yes.
How do you handle volatility synthetic?
I'm leaving.
Trading synthetic the volatility, you don't know when the market will just go one type like they just need more guidance, one that.
So please, I don't get your question with that.
No, there's volatility in synthetic.
Yes.
Beyond normal you can trade with. There's a 0.1 loss size. The volatility can be normal. In the next 2 hours, that you will expect it is every to expect that it's what the volatility will be.
Okay. Have you?
Hold on, just shoot for some time.
Just hold on a minute.
Talk.
Talk.
Yeah. Can you hear me online? Is it? Yeah, we'll come to the online thing very soon.
Okay, please check whether the sound is okay.
So if you can hear us online, just say let us know in the comment section. Can you hear me? It's clear. Alright.
Speak again.
Can you hear me?
Okay, I think it's clear.
Yes, clear. Is it clear?
It's much clearer now.
Alright, so now, please can you get a question?
The synthetic clothing, one of the those are one of the factors that affect the volatility. So the volatility is unexpected. As I don't know if there's a way of expecting it. Unlike forest trading, when news is spike, you expect it. But in synthetic, there's nothing. Is there a way to expect what the volatility will be?
Okay, so what you are saying now is it's more like what I experienced the first time I said the first in fact, sorry, thank you your question. People don't know that indices is not always that the minimum order is 0.01. The way you have it correctly that everything you want to treat, even if you don't know what to do, you first enter 0.01 first, just test the market. There are some indices that you enter 0.01 and your account will fry immediately. No, you will be surprised. You will be shocked. So when you want to start this indices, like for the groups, the first thing group and all those other groups, I sent the list of the updated lot sizes for each synthetic produce. You know we have lot size at 0.005 on synthetic. We have something like 0.001. There are some indices that their minimum lot size is 4 standard lot size. That's their minimum. So if you enter a trade with a wrong lot size on a very volatile pair, it's going to be horrific. But I know what happened to you. What happened to you that you're trading crash and boom. See, let me give you this thing. If you are buying crash and you are selling boom, you will explain what it's talking about. More so that you see something like if you are buying crash, when you are buying crash, your profit is slower than when it turns against you. You know, crash is spike to the downside. Boom is what? Spike to the upside. So you can be doing something like, let's say you are buying crash 500. Do something like 1.50. You can take like 30 minutes to get to $15. And so you want to see yourself at -2. So that's what I'm talking about. How do you know volatility comes in? You don't know. I'm sorry, you will not know. You will not. There's no. You know what you're asking, like, okay, you know on currencies now, you have like a news app that you know that okay, 130, but this is going to come heavy. What is happening with you? It has not to do with news. That is how cash are being operated. It's just saying like what jump is doing now. Jump. Oh my God. Don't worry. Tomorrow. We'll go for that. But yeah, I think that's what you're actually talking about. When you're talking about you just see, but it just comes in once. It's not coming in once. That's how that particular thing is behaving. That's how it is. If you check the normal volatility like the volatility 25 10, 25 1s and the rest, you notice that when you're buying, if it's going where it's going, the way it should go, if it's selling, it's going because there's no sudden spike. That's why when you go into a boom or crash chart, you see something like spike occurs because they're expecting a spike, and those spikes are wicked and deadly. Is there another question? any other question before we take the online question? Right, so let me have it. All right, so please, for those of you online, you can drop your questions now. I'm about to start taking here. Let's start. Can we go? Okay, someone asked the excess music, asked what are the tools needed to play synthetic, e.g. the app and broker. It's basic now. Your broker is a basic like that. That's what I would recommend to you. Excess music. Your broker should be very. Then the app is MT5, basically. The same way you have your normal excellence accounts and the rest. When you create an account with Gary, they give you 25 dollars, you log in 25, you choose 25 platform. I guess that answers your question. Can you please summarize the trade and put the rest? Okay, so Bless Health says, can you basically summarize synthetic trading and put emphasis on how it differs from currencies? I guess you came with basically, as I said, synthetic trading works by algorithm. It works by market makers. There are some people there that just push the market. All the currency that it works with economic data, the fundamentals, things happening in countries, the two people are fighting can affect. Sorry, two nations are fighting can affect the market and stuff like that. Instead, it's not like that. It's pure algorithm, right? And you said how it differs from currency. Yes, no news events. It's not. It has nothing to do with economic release. It's just pure technical analysis, algorithm, and stuff like that. What do we need? Emmanuel Bussa says, what do we need for today's class? What should we download and commit? Your daily platform, get your now help. Thank you for this question. The platform we use to analyze charts on there is actually not the normal trading view. It's actually implementation for trading view. Yes, there is implementation for trading view. So you just try getting that and let's get again that answer the question. Sorry, Emmanuel Bussa. You try getting that and just come prepared tomorrow. I think that's what you need for now. We're not really going into funding accounts yet, except you have an account on there or something like that. You come ready for all of that. When is the time for tomorrow's class? 10 a.m. Mohammed and Bakar. Thank you, please.
Test.
So look back, like to say, sir, the knowledge and skills used in trading forex, does it apply to trading synthetic? Yes, sir. It applies. It applies. Except there are little things that we tweak a bit. There are little things that we do different. But basically, because you have the knowledge of trading the forex market, you are good to go. It's just a little tweaking here and there. Among the synthetic market, which is the best to get a small account? Solomon G. James is asking, among the synthetics market, which is best to grow a small account? Come tomorrow, sir. I'll tell you tomorrow. Put this can we get Emmanuel came out says how to calculate lot size in synthetic trading. Now, I actually get asked this question a lot of times. People ask, how do I calculate my lot size? How do I need 30 Ps, 50 Ps, my stop loss? Is there a calculator we use to calculate our this to that? And I tell people what I use and how I do mine, right? I use my trading view. You have to be abreast with the lot size per what you are trading. Like when I only trade 5 minutes in the whole of the market, I only trade 5 of them. Like when I wake up in the morning and I go to those 5 and I go set up, I go and rest. So now for those 5, I know what their lot sizes are. When I analyze on my trading view, right? When I analyze on my trading view, from that analysis, I know what I'm risking already. And God bless the what do you call that? Upgrade 25. Like from your 25 platform, you can put your stop loss, you can see the exact dollar value, not even the pips now this time around. When you put your stop loss, you know that you're using $5. It will tell you the money value. Not like what I just see stop loss, does not give you the monetary value of it. So with that now, I think you are good to go. When you put your stop loss and you see $50, if you know you don't do $50, you leave the trade. That it's not by force. It's not by force. So yeah, what other question do we have? Godwin Amazing says, does SMC strategy work on synthetic? Yes, it does. It works. It works. Chinese can do things for trading. That's why I said earlier on that you only need to teach something. By the time you start trading, you will notice some things you need to adjust. SMC works, or IC works, or top down analysis work, price, your price, whatever strategy that was working for you on prices can still work for you on synthetic. The only people that might not really flow in the conversion to synthetic are people that were trading indicators, all those indicator traders, those senior men. You might have issues because they're not actually price action traders. But if you're a price action trader, you should be able to cope when it comes to synthetic markets. Patrick says I'm not from Ghana. Shout out to you, sir. PZ says, there's no sir. When considering synthetic trading, you pay more attention to the technical analysis, right? Yes, please. PZ, yes, please. When you get synthetic trading, don't do that about the technical analysis. I don't know how to emphasize that thing. Get your technicals right. And then once your technicals are right, once you know how to chart the chart, have good entries, you are good to go. It's not that difficult. I wish you had enough time to actually go to chart today. But tomorrow, there was money ahead of you, won't come out. You're not going to start. But going to chart now, you might start seeing what is not seeing you. You see a setup that's not a setup. Right? Yeah. Let's health. Let's health again. I'm from currency chart and pattern. Is there anything else that drives synthetic trading? Your stop loss, your own stop loss, drives synthetic trading. This is what I'm saying. Basically, as long as there are buyers and sellers in the market will move. What pushes your own trade to go where? Your own buy to go where? Because some people are selling where you bought from. It's their own money that you're eating now. Are you getting what I'm saying? When you are buying and making money, it does not mean everybody is making money too. So if you are eating some good money, some people that were wrong in their own analysis, that is what is doing the market. The market is going up, but it's going down because some people are on the opposite side of that. Right? Then who is in okay. Get enlightened says, what's the minimum account size for security? You know, you're out of my mouth. I know what you want me to say. You want me to tell you $10. Please, so $10, when you hear me start $10 on the internet, I'm not saying that the perfect capital for synthetic. All I'm saying is that. It's like I used to call $10. I've got a lot of. See, when I say $10 on the internet, what I'm trying to say is that it's easier for you as a trader that is coming on, that does not have large funds to fund account to trade the synthetic markets. Or when you're trading currencies, you see something like 1:2, 1:3, 1:2. For the people who 1:4, then for the swing traders, 1:1 what they are doing. But for a synthetic trader, I can see 1:50, 1:20 in a day. You can fund $10 in the morning and by evening you're up $200. So that's why I talk about, or most times I post smaller accounts, more like you see me say $2 to 100 and this, $5 to 100 and this, stuff like that. It's for you to know that it is possible. Don't necessarily go to account for $10 to your account. What all I'm saying is that when you have the right knowledge, capital is not a problem. When you have the right knowledge, you don't need to go and outsource like always this maybe $100. If you can see what currently our rates are about 140 something, if you can see what 15,000 account, if you are good, you will grow the account to something tangible. That's what I'm saying. So if you're asking me for what was the question again? What is the minimum account size for synthetic? Okay, say minimum. Depending on the agent you are using, right? I know of people that fund $1 in their account. I know people that fund $5 in their account. Like they fund $5 to trade. You get me? expensive paper that $5. Talk about broker. Those guys are very good. Yeah, so let me answer a question with $10 minimum. Let's not do that. So can we get the record? Somewhere say pure, we shall be saved. The same does NFP affect synthetic trading? No. Let me save you. It does not. NFP does not affect. Anything news does not affect synthetic trading. Like today now, I was in my house just there. As we were crying, I cannot relate. NFP is something bad thing. I can't. We're not in the same boat. Be where you are, let me be where I am. You understand? So no. That's why I wake up in the morning. I don't need to go and check for any news. I trade in my mind at rest. I'm not expecting one abracadabra. Just surplus is what out of news. It's not my fault. They're ever fighting. Why am I losing money? So, yeah. Any other question, please, before we take the last thing for today? My God. So this is what is the best time to trade volatility? So please, after this question I've seen, I'm not taking another question. I'm talking at Obi or Andrew. Thank you very much. Another question will answer tomorrow. So, okay, Chukwu says, Samuel Savior. You have come again. Okay. So Savior say, what is the best time to trade volatility? Okay. Instead of we don't have sessions. That's another thing. We do not have sessions. You can wake up 1 p.m. If you have, maybe you want to buy a car by 8 a.m. If you are that good, though, you can wake up by 1 a.m. Make the money before 8 a.m. You can still wake up by 1 a.m. and not sleep in your house by 8 a.m. Choose your path wisely. But yeah, to answer the question, don't mind me, I can be like that sometimes. To answer your Savior, I would have seen you again. There is no time to trade activity. You can trade when you see it set up. Anthony Paul says the weakest is from weakest. Thank you again for this question. Synthetic trade is open 247. Again, as I said, when people are saying on Friday that don't for the week, see you on Monday, I cannot sleep late. Because sometimes when I'm starting the week, I can trade Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and not trade Monday to Friday. So synthetic gives you actually like it's just what you want. I'm saying what I do. Currency people come and best me, but I'm telling you what synthetic is what you want for yourself. It's that thing that you want for you. You trade 247, 365 days. There's no pack in the day. Right? Then Anthony Paul. Let's wait MC Henry says, does synthetic indices have a problem?
Well,
yes. This is a setup. This is a setup. MC Henry.
tell him to go and make research.
Please go and make your research. I won't say anything about it, but there are some few problems out there, but not on my own advice. Make your findings and go with what you want to do. And the boss says, which is getting paid in your account. Which is getting paid in your account. Okay, when I came into, that's the paper I was talking about. I joined we stand different 10 to 60, 25 and said, hand over to million consult for where I stopped. In 1960 to 100 and something at that time, I can't remember for sure. So, by tomorrow, I'm going to let you know the ones you can start trading with your $10. If you're a $10 trader, like you, now with you, if you're a $10 trader, I will give you the one that will work for you. You understand? You cannot be trading $10 and go and touch senior man like 25 1S. Even if you are right, even if you are the buy, your account will grow before that buy. I don't think so. These are little mistakes. You know, in the beginning I said that it's something that's very advanced. It's not so complicated. If you forgot that you miss a detail, you will suffer for a dearly. All right. So, yes, for your question on 24, I started with 10 with 25, but now I do other ones like our form. I've added like 3 formats to them. And then Essence Music says, does the synthetic market trading? Yes, it does. Okay, Chukwu is there problem for synthetic? Please do your research. This is at owner's discretion. When you do your research, it goes down well, you can go for them. The only one I knew that would have had, probably recommended, just closed down a week or 2 ago. So I really don't want to sit to you right now. Let me put your what's the best time to trade synthetic index? The best time to trade synthetic index is when you see your setup. It's the morning, afternoon, evening, midnight. When you see your setup, trade synthetic. That's basically. Samuel also, this is service. Can you drop your social media and please check around your seat. Which broker do you use? Then please. Does synthetic market follow market session? No, there are not sessions to synthetic trading. Synthetic and index are the same. Yeah, they are called synthetic indices, synthetic index, and it's something. It's a surname of synthetic. Synthetic is the first name, index is the last name. What's your best index? My best index should be. You say, what's my best index? Then one is no, I'll play. I'll go 151S index because it actually broke a threshold for me. It gave me the biggest trade that I've ever taken, and it not actually puts me outside the like. I think I'll be $2 to 170, 150 there about. So yeah, now I'll put it as that. But the one I trade comfortably every day, like I'm almost sure I'm going to get from this 10 or this 25. So are there drawbacks of flaws to trade synthetics like this manipulation that happens to people? Are there setbacks? Are there drawbacks of flaws? Most of the drawbacks of flaws will come from the as a trader. Psychology, the emotions, your risk appetite. You see some people $400. Now there's like if they break, there's no hope for them. And those people go out and they actually go. I don't understand why. So if you're talking about flaws, if you come from you as a trader, honestly speaking, I've read synthetic and most of the mistakes I've been making when I say, but to be honest, it came from me as a trader. Right? Anthony Smart is hope you give us set up too. See you tomorrow, Anthony Smart. We'll know that I'm not in. When we come tomorrow, we'll enter the chat. We'll put that inside the chat. We'll be SaaS and we'll see set up. Why not? It's a good Saturday to make money. Then the last one, Shewu or Larry Landry says V75. Mr. Shewu, what do I do with V75? He just said V75. V75. No, I don't like V75. I've never traded in my life. That's what you want to do. V75, I've never traded it. I'm going to trade 75 1S. Which broker around he deposited $2? I'm not the one that deposited $2, Anthony Cohen. It's not me. I say it's possible. Anthony Smart, always Anthony people. US 30 and oil on synthetic. No. US 30 and oil on synthetic. No. It is not under synthetic. So for questions, please, I can't take any questions today. Please. No more questions for today. So, for the sake of time, I'm going to show you guys a video, just one video, and
this one.
So yeah, I'm going to show us a video. Just the video is not for you to start doing, right? It's just for you to feel comfortable and feel this is possible. It is possible for you to do. You can be broke today, right? You can be broke today and you say rich. Shellfish, I cannot really do. You can be ready tomorrow. It depends on you. It depends on your actually, like, to be honest. To be honest, I've seen it. I've seen a lot when it comes to synthetic training, especially. There was this guy I met I knew someone that lived in the Republic. He says he trains as he needs the money. And when they say it's too short for him, he can get to the airport and pay the money. He gets to he train the money to buy what he got. Wow. So he has now made that training is his ATM machine. He's sure for him. He's not sure about stop loss. You know the first come. You see, when you get to that height, that's when you can look at somebody as ever that and say, you, I will change your life. And you are saying it audacity because you know you do it. So I just hope that after this masterclass, all of you will come to do great things. As I said, we are building a nation. Nation of serious people, not Akala riders. A nation that only Ferrari, Dubai, Dubai is Lamborghini, Ferrari. These are the kind of people I want to have under me. That will be so we shut down. Start to say shut down. One word. Is it? Like one word. Who's talking about it? You said like what? Like convoy. Convoy, if the cars that do the convoy are over 300 million, why would you like it? Not like convoy.
When I pull out, you pull out. You pull out. Everybody's there.
The video of Spider will say, that one I say, do you see a car used there? So you know I'm not talking about the one that 5 of you climb bike and do no, not that kind of convoy, please. I don't know how the people online are going to get the audio for this video about the where do I? It's not to play from here. Okay, yeah, you can check Instagram. I check Instagram, show on Aspaji. For those online, if you want to watch this video clearly, but you can still use it from here. Just like I don't hear what I'm saying in the video, but then you can check the social media handle, show on Aspaji, and you see. You know, when I was trading those days, the way I would trade, I'll stop trading. I'm not going to enter Jeffrey. I just watch him enjoy his money. You understand? I'm happy for him. It's just joy. It's not like you said one day you do. It's not those kind of things. You need to have this kind of motivation that it's not one head you have. All right, so let's have it. This is the volleyball.
Hello, my people. Wherever you shall be, there's a way to see that around above 100 which is and years after that episode of this. So yeah, they don't take about versus $2 as prices and as my big profit where I get right, let's go to the market out. So immediately after I said this trade, not so long after, okay, so immediately this is like creating market job and share falling down to our big profit. Lost nothing. I was going to do this the community anyway to try this continuous trade. Yeah, we can get about 7
Then one is
crazy. Always then you know everything from our because let's say everything sounds
so right.
So this is just this trade maybe happened this 15 minutes time. So maximum happened like let's say 4 hours. Maximum if you took that this trading event just dropped. I think less than 4 hours. So how do you explain having $7? How do you explain having $7 and in let's say 2 hours you are up above more than $7? You do the math. You know our current person rate. I mean, if you have the knowledge to flip accounts like this, I'm not necessarily teaching you how to flip accounts. What I'm trying to say, if you have the knowledge to trade this way, you might almost never be good in Nigeria. whether I like it or not, the extremely famous with the traders. $100 is about 150,000. No matter how the economy was bad, 150,000 is something. If you can make 150,000 twice in a week, that's 300K. How many jobs in this our Nigeria will give such amount of money in a month? So if you look at it from the wider side of it, if you look at it from the what do you call it now? Are we still live?
Yes.
If we look at it from the what do I use now? Long term, right? The mistake most people make is that they want to make $5,000 and $10,000. That's good, that's fine, that's great. But you have to take it as good. Now I can fund $100 in 2 places and choose to be flipping $100 for things like day-to-day needs and have $100 going to like 1,000, 2,000, 2,000. Probably for bigger players that want to buy a car, you want to do some mad stuff. But at the end of the day, you don't need to be so harsh on the market. At the end of the day, you need to, before others use this word of going, I will put the outside and then the account goes, I'm not like, okay, the next one I open my chart to analyze. I see a nice setup that I could have taken if I was more, and now you have seen the setup, there's no money to trade. But it makes no sense. Because that's the mistake thing that happens to go. So there's no need to do the whole let's show down. What I want to use is how to make money continuously. If you make $150, $150 is about 200 pounds on Monday, make it on Friday. You are good to go. I don't know how you spend money. I'm just trying to say like for average Nigerian, 200,000 every week is still fine. Right. So you said I mean no, that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's knowledge. It's not rocket science now. You saw my chart. There was nothing so miraculous on that chart. I think I use about 2 to 4 things to get my analysis. I don't my chart, if you see my chart, it's so neat. It's neat. There's no one perfect study that it's pure price action and we make money from it. Right. So tomorrow, as I said, we'll go to the chart and see what will happen. If you want to come from the account for the that our venture will say set up, we don't kill every thousand. And a lot of people directly funding here. So we try and see what can be. Funny enough, a minute. All right, so let me use this. One of the things I teach the group when it comes to our round of is how to protect your capital. Right? Other the way my salary works that I try my best to use little amount of money to make huge amount of money. I need little amount of money to make huge amount of money. Because I do not believe in some people fighting for this every time when they're like, you see the problem, no make sense. But that is what works for me. If you don't work for you, don't make sense. I don't believe in large prognosis. You know that of large white prognosis. That what they say, let your trade beat. Giving space to it. What is it beating for? The way you give your trade, the way you give your trade enough room to beat. When it's not beating, you will not need to beat.
What a line.
That's suffocating. So I applied one of the things I now can go so and say, this one is my own. That's I don't want to sound proud like
You don't want to sound
what I'm trying to say is that you can use little capital. This might take something like $2, is $3, max to $10 is bad at one part. You understand? Because I like I said earlier on, I'll teach you how to Get now, mind you, I start analyzing my charts from the daily time frame. Like I take my entry on 2 minutes, use 1 minute time frame SL and 4 hour. Get your entry of 5 minutes, use 1 minute for SL, use 4 hours for the TP. That's why you can see something like SL will be something like you get TP will be down.
Let's go there.
We'll go there tomorrow, sir. But okay, let's get for instance. This particular trade I took yesterday, I saw on this trade. Look at this entry, look at my SL. My TP, you cannot see my TP. Like down. Down. So it's easy for you to see SL. Like now, let's say this entry, this trade is actually a very, very funny one. You might do the breakdown for you guys tomorrow. Now look at this SL. This SL, if this I'm on 3 positions on the trade, if the 3 of them is SL, the 3 of them together is $25. See what? The three positions together, if they hit SL, what I'm using to $5. If these 3 hit TP,
Maga. My God.
Maga.
Tell me something.
So by tomorrow, I don't know how to get this one. Like, sorry, I'm not used to. I used to like physical people, but sorry. by tomorrow, by the grace of God, we'll try our best. So if there's any other question you want to ask me today, because I said for tomorrow, I'm not sure of questions. So please, if there's any question you can ask now, let's try to see if I can answer, and then we call it a day. I think I'll tell you very fast. We don't expect to bring yourself today. Way 3, way 2, 1. Way 1. So thank you very much for giving me your ears today to see what's into it. I hope by tomorrow, you know, we'll go deeper. About the first thing people, this person standing here is not the one you have been seeing. As you all know, today is my birthday. So the one you knew ended yesterday, this is a new me. And I came with different powers. Yes. And start promotion from tomorrow. So thank you very much. See you tomorrow. How was the class? Let's bring my phone. Bring my phone so I'll see what we can. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay. So for those of you that are here physically, you don't know the enjoyment you're really, you guys are really on soft. Those online are suffering. They're having a very hard time both hearing what we're saying and following up. But it's all the same. Hopefully tomorrow will be much better. For those of you following us online, tomorrow will be very much more, better in terms of sound, feedback, and everything, because there's a way we would have done the streaming. This is making it a bit difficult for us. So by tomorrow we'll stream it directly from the system so that the sound will be much more better for those following online. Okay, so for those following online, apologies for the bad sound today. It will be much better tomorrow. So tomorrow's class is 10 a.m. Please, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. So they don't come here by 3 p.m. but 10 a.m. tomorrow we are starting. So as much as possible, please try and come early. Today is Friday, so some people are coming back from work. That's why you are still seeing space to sit down very well. So tomorrow I advise that you come at least by 9 a.m. because we have limited seats available, and if you have to stand, it's not our fault. So I'm telling you earlier now, so that by tomorrow you come much earlier. 9 a.m. we are starting, and hopefully maybe 11, 12 o'clock just should be done. Okay? So see you guys tomorrow. For those of you following online, we're going live at exactly 10 a.m. tomorrow. Okay? So see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. High five yourself. Let's go.
Please, we want to. Okay, let's end the live.